Hi guys, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to use 24-hour format on ITEL Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your ITEL Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to system. And system, okay, go to date and time. And date and time, okay, you can see below the use 24-hour format. And okay guys, the format of my ITEL Alpha Lite mobile phone is 12-hour format. And okay guys, to use this 24-hour format, you all have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this use 24-hour format. And that's it, okay, we have successfully used the 24-hour format on my ITEL Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.